So over the past few months, we've been working with an international manufacturer with over 20,000 employees that had issues highlighting the risk to their IT teams and get them mobilizing and actually solving the issues. They had several paths from breach point to critical asset that put their business at risk. We were able to take those paths, show evidence, and show that it's a simple point A to point B risk. And by doing so, they were able to take this, the CISO and the security team, go to their executives and highlight, here is what needs to be done, here is the impact, here is the outcome, and onboard the IT team to understand the risk to their business and not just a random ask. The outcome was that the both security team and the IT team were able to collaborate better after understanding the risk and where the security team is coming from. And eventually they started really remediating those breaches and making their business safer.